Restore a fiberglass bathtub. Fiberglass bathtubs are molded bathtubs. These tubs are pressed in layers into a mold and held together with resin, which is composed of semi-solid organic substances also used in medicine and in the making of varnishes and plastics. Fiberglass bathtubs are very lightweight, low cost, and can be easily set up in a shower stall, and when it needs mending or restoration it is easy to refurbish. This kind of bathtub requires sturdy wooden frames and thick fiberglass walls which ensure a long life. However, certain factors are to be considered, such as cleanliness and the durability of fiberglass. When your tub starts to show wear and tear, consider a few tips in restoration, which will bring back your tub to its original clean and shiny state. Prepare your materials. Being organized makes your work easier. Make sure your bathroom is well ventilated before starting with the restoration process. Open the doors and windows to ensure adequate flow of air. When restoring a bathtub, make sure to wear hand gloves. This will protect your hands from harsh substances, scrapes and scratches. Minimize clutter inside the bathroom. You can lay down old newspaper or a drop cloth around the bathtub's edges or the areas that need covering. Make sure to remove other things inside the bathroom, such as towels, rugs, and the like, to avoid stains and unnecessary mess. Use your bathtub finishing kit. To restore a fiberglass tub, you will need to acquire a tub finishing kit. Premix the cleaning substance that came with the kit. Dip a rag or soft cloth into the solution and begin scrubbing and applying it on the surfaces of your fiberglass bathtub. This solution is excellent at removing mildew and sediment deposits, which will help restore your bathtub's clean surface. Painting. After the cleaning and scrubbing, you can also restore the finish on your fiberglass bathtub with a good amount of paint coating. You will need to make sure the tub is dry. Apply a coat of self-leveling paint. You will need to wait about 2 hours after the first coat to apply the second coat. You will then have to wait 48 hours before the coats of paint are completely dry. Waxing. Another means of restoring shine and sheen to your fiberglass bathtub is by waxing. For this purpose, you can use any neutral-colored car wax. You will simply need to clean your bathtub thoroughly with a soft, abrasive cleaner and scouring pad. Then, towel dry the bathtub. Make sure that all the water from the bottom and sides are removed. Then, apply car wax to the tub, taking care not to wax the bottom surface, as this will render it slippery. Buff the tub with a soft, lint-free cloth. With the restoration done on your fiberglass bathtub, you can now spend relaxing baths without worrying about dirt in the tub like molds and mildew. Waxing your tub will bring back its original shine and sheen. Be sure to clean your tub thoroughly on a regular basis, to keep it looking presentable.